the questions including DMAS rules. So first of all, DMAS is an acronym of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. It is the combination of 4 words. So why we are using DMAS rule? We are using DMAS rule because many times we got the questions in which we have multiple operations together, like maybe we have a question in which we have to add and subtract at the same time. Maybe in some questions we have to solve addition, subtraction, multiplication all together, and maybe all 4 operations together. So that's why we are using DMAS rule. So DMAS rule tells us that if we have a question in which we have 2 or maybe more than 2 operations all together, so how we can solve these kind of questions. So in this way we can understand that what DMAS tells us about. So first of all, if you have any question in which we have 4 operations together, so first of all you have to solve division, then you will solve multiplication, then addition, and lastly subtraction. Or maybe in some question we are not having division and multiplication both, or we are just having addition and subtraction. So what you will do, you will solve addition first and then you will solve subtraction. Or maybe we have just these 3, so first of all you will solve multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. Maybe we have division and addition in any question, so first of all we will use we will solve division and then we will solve addition. The method, if you once you will understand the method of DMAS, it will be easy for you to solve multiple operation in a question. So just start solving DMAS rule. The first example of DMAS rule we have here, 92 plus 35 minus 62. You can see in this question we don't have all 4 operations, but we have 2 operations together. So one is of addition and other one is of subtraction. So if we will remember the DMAS rule, here I mentioned in this side. So firstly we have to solve division, but we don't have division in this question, so we will skip this step. Then we have multiplication, we don't have multiplication in this sum also, so we will skip this step also. Then we have addition, so yes we have addition in this question. So firstly we will solve the addition. So what we will do, we will add 92 plus 35. So what is the answer of 92 plus 35? You can calculate in your rough copies also. So maybe the answer will be 127. What will be the answer? 127. Okay. Also next we have minus 62. So next step what we have to do, we have to subtract. So now we can subtract 62 from 127. So the answer will be, what will be the answer? Can anybody guess? Yes, we have the answer 65. What is the answer? Answer is 65. This is how we can solve the DMAS rule. In next example, we have 92 minus 62 plus 35. 92 minus 62 plus 35. Here we have to solve the addition and then we will solve the subtraction. But before solving this question we will arrange this, because here we have 62 of minus and 35 of plus. If we will firstly add these two numbers, so it will be difficult for us, because 62 is of minus and 35 is of plus. So it will be easy for us if we will arrange this equation or this expression. You can say 92 plus 35 minus 62. It will be more easy for us to solve these kind of expressions. So what we will do, that firstly we will add these two numbers. So if we will add these two numbers, that question will be 120, answer will be 127, and then we can subtract 62 from it. So answer will be again same 65. So this is how we can solve the DMAS rule. Hope you all get understand the questions very well. If you have any query, you can ask in the relevant groups, or what you have to do from this topic is that you have to solve exercise 1.6. most of the students have already done, because before the lockdown we have discussed this topic in the class also, so it will be easy for you. And again, I'm telling you, if you have any kind of query and question, then you can ask. You are also, you are always welcome. Thank you.